If you've spent any time researching Greenville, South Carolina, you've likely heard about Unity Park. Well, and you might have thought Unity Park was a finished product. In this video today, I'm going to talk about some of the upgrades going on in Unity Park and some of the other areas of Greenville County that are going to make a massive impact on how locals live in Greenville in the future. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Evan Whaley. I run the Whaley Group. We specialize in helping people relocate to Greenville, South Carolina. So let's give you a little context if you haven't heard of Unity Park before. Unity Park sits just outside of downtown Greenville along the Reedy River, and it completely transformed what used to be an industrial area into one of the most popular gathering spaces in the entire city. Since opening, it's become a place where people go to walk or bike the Swamp Rabbit Trail, let their kids play at the park, meet friends for lunch, or just relax outside. There was a huge multi-mixed use development that is right outside of Unity Park that has become an attraction to the area. And now the city is continuing to invest in the park with several new projects and additions. One of the most noticeable and biggest additions to the park was actually a viewing tower. This structure gives people a vantage point above the park and of the entire city of downtown. It goes above the Reedy River and just has some absolutely incredible views. This was designed to give a landmark and a memento to the past of the area to make sure that people can enjoy the park even more, take pictures, take in the sights, and really appreciate the beauty that is the upstate. Projects like this could seem small on the surface, but they make the area more attractive, they make the park more dynamic, and these are just some of the small investments that Greenville and the upstate are putting into some of our parks and some of the other places that people love to go and gather to make them even better for the people that live here. The second update that I wanted to discuss is the additional extensions on the Swamp Rabbit Trail. There are multiple that are planned and multiple that are still in the works. The Swamp Rabbit Trail has just been such a huge hit and has continued to grow in popularity. And overall, the concept behind it is they wanted to create an old railroad track that became a focal point of the local community. And once this is finished, the Swamp Rabbit Trail will connect the vast majority of Greenville County together. There are a lot of people that are talking about this could become a new way for people to commute and get into different places where they may work and live on a day-to-day basis by using things like e-bikes to get around. So overall, there are some big goals for the Swamp Rabbit Trail. Some areas where we're seeing some extensions and improvements to the Swamp Rabbit Trail are in the downtown area, in the West End, and the surrounding residential areas. There have been several talks and meetings about adding the Swamp Rabbit Trail extension to the North Main area of town, making that even more accessible. And then there's also going to be a pedestrian bridge that's put over Verde Boulevard, which is going to be an absolutely incredible benefit due to the amount of traffic that's in the Verde area, but due to the natural beauty that's there and how much people want to actually go to that area, making it even more accessible for more people in our city. And our last big development is really 4 developments in one. It's actually called the Four Greer Initiative. So what it's designed to be is 4 major projects done in 4 years to really enhance the city of Greer. The first one we've talked about in the past, which is a massive development of a new sports and entertainment complex in Greer. This project is going to be over 200,000 square feet of space in this new sports complex. There's going to be 9 basketball courts, 18 volleyball courts, sports simulators, and so much more. The idea behind this is giving the youth in our area and even adults a place to enjoy recreation, and they want to create more tourism. They want to create national and regional tournaments and events that are going to be coming to the area in the space. This is going to be a state-of-the-art sports venue. This is expected to have up to a $20 million a year impact on the sports, entertainment, and travel industry in the city. This complex is expected to open in early 2027. The second part of this project, and one that is already underway and expected to open soon, is the Public Safety Training Center. This is going to be a training facility for the police department and the fire department in Greer. It'll feature a 50-yard indoor firing station, a fire training tower, classroom, and seminar space. Overall, this is important for the people of Greer to ensure that the training stays local and they can train and equip the firemen and the police men and women to the best of their ability. The third part of this is a new parking garage. Parking in downtown Greer overall hasn't been too bad, but as it continues to grow and add more businesses, we know this is going to be a big need. So there'll be over 500 spaces in the new parking garage that they're going to be building. This is going to be located on Depot Street in downtown Greer. It's going to be 5 stories. It's designed to relieve those parking shortages that we may be experiencing and to drive even more people to the downtown of Greer so they can enjoy it. The fourth development is going to be a new fire station near Lake Cunningham. The idea of this is to be a suburban response center to ensure that people get faster responses in the event of a crisis or an emergency. So this is going to be a huge impact and win for those that live in this part of Greer. This is a really great initiative for the city of Greer. They've noticed that more and more people have become attracted to the downtown and wanting to move to that suburb. So they wanted to make sure they get ahead and they start building some infrastructure to handle some of the potential challenges that they may have and give opportunities to the people in the city. So overall, these are some really great initiatives that they're doing and will make Greer an even better suburb in the future. So there you have it, some big developments that are happening in the city. Overall, what we're seeing is they want to improve the quality of life, they want to improve the safety in our area, and they want to create better infrastructure based on these developments. And as I already mentioned, Unity Park, if you have not visited there, it's definitely a place to put on your bucket list, especially as these new developments come to fruition. And if you're thinking about moving to the Greenville area, definitely make sure you check out the Swamp Rabbit Trail to see how all these things are going to unfold. If you like hearing updates like this, we do a video like this every single month, and every day we're actually publishing shorts on our channel to make sure that you're staying up to date with all the most recent and relevant Greenville news. We'd love to be your Greenville real estate resource of choice, so please reach out to us if we can help in any way.